friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make a Chinese soup in the Instant Pot called fuzzy melon soup using this fuzzy melon. In Cantonese it's called mo gua tong. Now let's get started. For this Chinese soup you will need 2 pounds of pork bones. Here I'm using pork backbones, but you can also use pork neck bones or pork rib bones. Plus you'll need a medium-sized fuzzy melon. It's sometimes called a furry melon or a hairy melon. And you'll need 2 carrots as well as 4 dried Chinese dates. Sometimes they're called red dates. And finally you'll need 8 cups of water. The next Chinese ingredients are optional for this soup, but I really feel that they add to the taste of this soup, so try not to skip them. And all of these ingredients can be found at your local Asian grocery store. 2 slices of ginger, 1 dried tangerine peel, 1 tablespoon of dried goji berries, 1 teaspoon of apricot kernels, 1/4 cup of dried longan, After placing all these dry ingredients into a sieve, rinse them off under cold running water for a few seconds. Before I bring out my Instant Pot, I'm just going to pre-boil the pork bones for about 5 minutes in boiling water in a medium-sized pot in order to remove any scum or impurities that come from the bones when they're first boiled. Place the bones in a medium pot of boiling water for about 5 minutes. After the pork bones have boiled for 5 minutes, then I take them out of the boiling water and place them into my Instant Pot liner. To prepare the fuzzy melon, we actually peel off the skin and the fuzziness and discard that. We're also going to wash and peel the carrots. Cut the fuzzy melon into 1 centimeter rounds and the carrots into 2-inch long pieces. Now we're going to add everything to the Instant Pot. The dried Chinese dates, 2 slices of ginger, the 2 carrots, the dried tangerine peel, the dried longan, the dried apricot kernel, and the dried goji berries, and finally the peeled and sliced fuzzy melon. Now I'm going to place the Instant Pot liner into my Instant Pot. Then add the 8 cups of cold water. Now it's time to plug in your Instant Pot and put the lid on. Make sure the knob at the top is in the sealing position. Now we're going to press the soup button, and it should read 30 minutes high pressure. If it doesn't read 30 minutes, you can use the plus minus buttons to manually set it to 30 minutes. It will take between 10 and 20 minutes for this pot to come up to high pressure. Then it will begin the 30-minute countdown. Then let the Instant Pot do a 1-hour natural release untouched. Then open the lid and see your soup is all done and ready to serve. Just season with a little bit of salt and you can serve it up. And that's my take on fuzzy melon soup or mo gua tong made in the Instant Pot. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!